I'm good.
Sky is clear, range is clear, continuity is good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off.
It's doing good. First base?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off.
All right, so it landed near the third base, not the first base. But I'm kind of missing something here. Yeah, I'm missing something. Interesting. I thought I was missing the booster part of it, but it was underneath the parachute. Come on, wind. Yay!
Sticks it again.
Sticks it.
4, 3, 2, 1, blast off.
There it is.
Look out.
That was fun.
4, 3, 2, 1, blast off. Sky is clear, range is clear, continuity is good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off. Not fast, huh?
Yeah, small shoot.
Good flight.
Yep. What do we have? Oh no, I turned it off. That sucks.
Three, two, one, blast off. Four, 3, 2, 1, blast off.
Aww. It was a good flight.
Nice. Gee, what did you put in
A D12-5.
there?
Aww.
I thought the Hex was 18mm.
Yeah, especially I modified it.
Oh,
But it didn't Kato.
that was a good flight.
I know, right? So sad. Well, my Kato-proof rocket survived. I had modified it from 18 to 24. Works great.
Three, two, one, blast off.
Really? That was a good pop. Now the neighbors are gonna call the cops for us launching fireworks.
That was a good flight.
Yeah, it was.
3, 2, 1, blast off. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off.
It's a science. C11.
Is that
Very
water?
Yeah, blue. It's a blue Walmart party streamer. That stuff will not ignite.
Oh.
Always a favorite. Did I turn it on? Oh, 176 and a C11. And looks fine. Go. I don't think you're gonna take out that helicopter, but who knows?
Hey, sky is clear, range is clear, continuity is good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off.
Good boy.
3, 2, 1, blast off.
Kinda got it.
Wait.
Yep, there goes.